welcome to Muscle Car Modeler. My name is Revell, and here I am. I'm updating you on some of the other projects I'm working on, and here's the Revell 70 AAR Cuda kit, one that I reviewed. It's the middle kit of the three that Revell came out with, and I hadn't built this one before, and I decided I was gonna, for the humor of it, build this one as I consider it the least desirable of the three that Revell has come out with. I've always liked the first kit, the 95 issue that's molded in green. This is the one that really is kind of funky. So haven't decided what color I'm gonna do it in, but I started shooting some of the stuff. So cleaned up, got a lot of the black stuff sprayed and ready to go, and I got the body. Started doing the body work, cleaning the mold lines, and just doing the body work on it. One thing I did change on this one that I just had to was the front valance. Let me pull that out of the box here. The front right here was molded shut, and you would black that out. And I was like, no, I couldn't do that. So I did cut it out, and I started to file and sand it and smooth it out. So I opened that up, and I hope that improves the look of it some. But like I said, the body on this one's really kind of funky. But I was just leaving the rest of the body work alone. And I'm thinking dark blue on this one, B5 blue or darker blue, just to kind of not highlight the body proportions as much. But we'll see what color I go with. I do know it's not going to be yellow or red because I've already done two in those colors. So I'll pick another color for this one. Green comes to mind too, but I did a TA Challenger in the Sublime Green. So we'll see what color I end up going on this one. But I got the motor painted, carbs painted. The carbs are glued on there really well, so I left the carbs on there, and I cleaned this one up and got it all painted. So I've got more painting to do on the engine, but I got the engine painted, got the air cleaner painted, and like I said, the body's in primer. And so this one will go together fairly quick. I'm building it right out of the box stock, but I just wanted to update you on this one, or show you this one that it's one of the other ones I'm working on, and I will continue to update you. So stay tuned on this one. I'm getting a little more progress going on this 70 AAR Cuda here, so I just figure I'd give you a brief little update. Just moving right along with this one. I got some more body work done to the body, so just sanded some more after priming and seeing some of the areas that need some touching up. But this body is ready for another layer of primer. I still got to fix this indentation right here. You can kind of see it. There's just a tire melt mark right there. So I've been kind of fixing that. And I still need to pin the mirrors. I haven't done that. But I glued the firewall in, primed it, and just been working on it. But and then the hood, just got a layer of primer on it. Not really anything going on with that just yet. But the front valance, I showed you where I cut it all out. So I've sanded it smooth, cleaned it all up. Trying to decide, I think I'm going to glue this to the body and paint it with the body. So that's pretty much, and then the rear valance, pretty much the same way. I shot some these taillights on this car, come into clear. So I did take some time and shoot some stoplight red on it. So both the taillights are now ready. And then some of the detail painting, got the air cleaner detail painted, just some of the flat black. I got some silver stuck to the bottom. I'll touch up that. Then I blacked out a lot of the interior. The interior I haven't started yet. I just got the parts set out here, so that's ready to start detailing. But I did start doing the wheels. So far 2 of the colors are on there. I got the black highlights in there, and then I use steel for painting, but I'll use some gray on the actual center cap. So 2 of the 3 layers are painted. The tires that come with are plain, and I'm trying to decide if I'm going to leave them plain or go through my parts box, because I got hundreds of tires, and dig out some that have the printing on there, the Goodyear radial GTs, I believe is what they say in the older kits. So I think I'll end up possibly using those, or I'll put the white transfer letters on here from Shabo. I got some of those as well. So I haven't really decided exactly what I'm doing, but I'm working on the wheels and tires, mainly because the chassis is just about done. So there's the engine painted, exhaust and everything glued on, and detail painted the suspension and the exhaust and glued it all in there. So this is pretty much ready. And then I don't have too much farther to go, so I'll detail the interior, get that all glued together, get the wheels and tires mounted to this, and then I will be moving on to the paint on this one. You putting the wheels together? See, they're painted.
Yeah.
Yeah, you helping Daddy and putting them together?
I need the help.
You need my help?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I squeeze this. There we go. And then you put the wheel on the back side. Do you see your hands in the... Put your hands out. You see your hands? You gonna put that wheel together? Thumbs up.
I need the help.
You need my help? Do you see the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. Peekaboo. Which one? There's the one that you didn't get the back on. Here you go. Okay, we got the wheels. The shifter, can you put it in there?
Those? Tires?
Yeah.
Oh.
You want to see where the tires go? Do they go on here?
Maybe.
Yeah, right there. Here's one. Get the other one. There you go. And then the two fronts. Here's the other one. You get the other side? Here you go.
Those.
There it is. There you go. Go ta-da!
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Turn that around. There we go. Alright. Thank you for helping me.
What is that?
That's the air cleaner. It goes on top of the engine.
On top?
Right there, yeah. Just like that.
Oh.
I think we gotta turn it around. Yep. Goes just like that.
What's that?
Yeah, and that's how I'm trying to do it.
Oh, look!
It rolls.
Look it.
Okay. Well, it doesn't... We're not supposed to play with it, okay?
No.
Okay, see the wheels are falling off. See, I'll do them better and put them on permanently. Say thank you for watching. Ryan, say thank you for watching. Ryan, say thank you for watching.
No, you.
Well, here's another quick little update to keep you up to what I'm going on with the 70 AAR Cuda I'm building here. Went through my tire stash and found a set of the older Goodyear Radial GTs that have the lettering on them, since this kid had the plain tires, and I swapped them out, and I was just going through my parts box. And one thing I'd forgotten that Revell had done for a little while in some of their kits is they had the same tire but bigger in a few kits. What comes to mind is the 70 GSX, the Buick Skylark GSX. Had I think the bigger set in the rear as in their kits, or some of their kits, and then also the 70 Chevelle SS454, the 124 scale, that it had small and big ones. So not too many Revell kits have the bigger rear tires, as you can see. But I had a couple in my stash, and the wheels, they fit exactly the same. They're just a little bit bigger. And I just had a few. And then I also got the caps actually painted gray, so you can see the gray in there. So there's the three colors I used to paint the rally wheels. Like I said, the black in the slots, and then the steel paint and then just the gloss gray. And I've got a little bit of touching up left to do on some of the wheels. And I also painted in the letters. I actually used this jelly roll pen right here. Got this at Michael's. Medium pen. But it's just a pen, but it works great on the white letters, and especially on these. Pretty easy to do on that. So, you know, the wheels are pretty much ready. And then I got the front glued on and the rear valance glued on. And just getting it ready. It's just ready for another layer of primer. And then I had my son helping me for a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I think I'm going to share that with you. And add that to the link in between. I thought it would be fun, and since he joined me, I turned the camera on and kind of went from there to see what would happen. And oh, and these bigger tires, I'm actually liking the way they're filling the wheel wells back here, and they also add to the rake, so that the stance of this one hasn't been modified, but so you can see how well the back tires fill the area back there. And I'm not going to snap them in place yet because not quite ready. But I'm liking the stance and sticking up in the back. And this is actually a piece of trivia for you, and I was going to cover that a little later, but the AAR Cuda and the TA Challengers actually came from the factory with staggered size tires. They had bigger tires in the rear than the front, and they were the first production cars to do that. So kind of a piece of trivia for you. But this is getting there, and it's pretty much ready for another layer of primer, and I'll get the paint sprayed on, but the chassis is pretty much done. And so this one's moving along pretty quickly for basically it's a quick build for me, not really going too crazy with the details on it, just building it and enjoying it. But those of you that have subscribed, thanks for tuning in, and thanks for watching, and hit that bell button. And you guys, thanks for tuning in, and you have a wonderful day.